another episode of balloon tutorial video. For today, I am going to make another balloon bouquet. I will be making this for a client and it is going to be a safari themed balloon bouquet. Yeah, it's for a 7th birthday and yeah, so let's just go ahead and dig into our supplies. Say hi! Okay guys, so these are the supplies that we will be using for this video. As I have mentioned, it will be a safari themed, and the client wanted to incorporate of course the green color, and since the birthday boy loves zebra and tiger, we will be using these mini foiled balloons also for the zebra and tiger. So these are the ones that are air-filled. So yeah, and I will be using this number 7 green foiled balloon, and this animal printed balloons too. So we'll be using that one, and to incorporate with white and green, as well as the 5 inches ones, and this 2 of this greenery. Then I will be using this water weight and this balloon tape, stretchy tape, which I will be using to attach my foil balloons, and also the glue dots. We will be also be using the pump, a string, and my electric pump. For this arrangement, it has to be the same in the same size. Right now, I'm inflating them in about 9 to 10 inches big, and as always, I love to work with balloons and make them in a rounder shape rather than this pear shape. So how do I do that? I just press it against a surface while releasing some air, like this.
I did it!
And like this. And then like hers as well. You did it? Okay. There you go. And then tie them together. To make a doublet. Now I'm gonna make one more set. So as I have mentioned, it has to be the same size. Like this, and now I am going to attach both doublets to make a quad.
And that one is mine.
That's yours. And like this one. So we will be making 3 sets of this quad. Just going to quickly show you how I inflate this air-filled mini foil balloon. So first I need to set my heat sealer to 5. I usually use this gauge because I noticed that if I put it like in 6 or more than 5, it will rip my foil balloon. So if I put it also in 4 or 3, it won't seal off. So that's I always use 5 for the gauge of the heat sealer. That way it will seal your foil balloon properly. So just inflate your foil balloon using your hand pump. Make sure to not overinflate it. And then just twist it at the valve. And then you just have to heat seal. Press your heat sealer and then that's it. There. So I also mentioned from a previous video that if you're doing this a DIY project for your kid's birthday party and you don't have heat sealer, you can also use the straightening iron for your hair. If you have those, you can also use that one. And also guys, for my 5 inches latex balloons, I inflated it with 1 or 2 pumps of air and then make it a duplet, and then tied both duplets in a 260Q. Okay guys, so now we are going to make our arrangement. We are going to do the base first. So this is, as I have mentioned, we did 3 sets of quads. But if I am working with printed foil balloons, and as we all know, these printed ones are a little expensive compared to the regular ones. So I just use it to emphasize the front portion. So as you notice, I didn't include a printed at the back. And then what I usually do first before I finally tie them to the string is just check out first which design or which color would you like to go with, so that way you can just easily work with it. So as of now, I am pretty much happy with this arrangement. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie my string to the water weight. First, I'm going to place it to my first cluster. Just tie it to your cluster. Okay guys, so now this is my base. So next will be, we are going to attach our foil balloon or our topper. So for this foil balloon, it comes with this tying neck where you can tie your string or curling ribbon. But for this arrangement, I usually use this 260Q cut in half, and then I'm going to tie it to both this tying neck of the foil balloon. Okay guys, so when attaching your foil balloon, so when you try to place your foil balloon where you wanted to put them, so you'd already know which part of the foil balloon is touching to your base. So that's where you will place your glue dots so that it will stick properly. So for this tiger foil balloon, the feet are touching to the latex ones. So that's where I placed my glue dots. There. So be careful guys when you are working in this type of arrangement, because once you stick your foil balloons to your arrangement, it will be hard for you to remove it and rearrange. That's why make sure you know where you wanted to place your accent. There you go. Okay, so this is now our final look for our safari themed balloon bouquet or balloon marquee. I just love how the accent goes with this mini foil balloons and the greenery and the printed latex ones. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you love this video or if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more balloon tutorial videos. Bye! See you guys in our next video.